We stayed at an RV park about 24 miles from Sedona, right off of Interstate 17. So we would drive about 24 miles into Sedona every day just to see the sights and tour. This was probably the most incredible view I've seen on our travels so far. Even though it was 24 miles, I was glad to drive it every day.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
The only thing is we had to go through 12 roundabouts to get to the city.
At the roundabout, take the second exit to Arizona 179.
We almost stayed at an RV park right in Sedona, which meant we would have had to taken the big guy through 12 roundabouts. Glad we didn't.
In 1/2 mile, enter the roundabout.
Sedona right now. Took us about a half hour to get up, what was that, 179? Beautiful view. Crazy thing is, I don't know what to look at. There's just like everything beautiful here. The scenery, the people.
It's a really fancy Wisconsin Dells. I mean, a really high quality one.
It is not. Look at that, right behind us. Just don't know where to look. It's all so beautiful.
It's not as cold as we're dressed. We're going on an open air trolley tour and they travel about 65 miles an hour, so it's just the wind.
I don't know if it's that fast, but it's a high of 57 today, so it's cold compared to what we're used to.
This is Mark and Sue totally ignoring each other while we're in Sedona. Sue's over there pretending she's a young whippersnapper with her phone, being really cool, ignoring me just because I have suspenders on. But it's kind of fun doing it. She looks like a college student.
So I feel like Mr. Rogers. It's Thanksgiving Day, and I'm with the woman I love.
That's nice.
We
are grateful.
The best person in the world I've ever been with. And we're on a Mr. Rogers trolley tour, you can see. Yeah. And in back of us, if you look through the
Magic looking glass. Oh wait, that's something else.
Yeah, if you look through, you can see the mountains. You got to kind of look through the little place there. But
oh, that's great.
Yeah. All right. See you guys.
Mark thinks he's all that. He's doing a panoramic with his iPhone. I'm impressed.
Should I take a video of you? Is it Thanksgiving?
It's Thanksgiving, and this is how we're celebrating it. We are giving thanks for what we can do.
Huh.
One thing I want to point out, though, is this view is amazing, and this video does not do it justice. Gotta be here. We gotta spend more time here, I think.
This down here, as amazing as it sounds, this is an old abandoned amphitheater that was built, and because of zoning and different laws that are you gonna hold it?
Yep.
Different laws that made the use of it limited. They couldn't make any racket after 9 o'clock. They ended up trashing this whole place. And if you've been to Colorado and you've been to Red Rocks, you probably can't see it in the video, but in the background are all sorts of tiered plazas and seating areas, and they got restroom areas, and this gigantic stage with these laminated arches. I mean, this thing's awesome, and it's just going down to shitter sitting here now. So
You said shitter.
I said shitter, yeah. I can't believe it.
Here's Mark on the hunt for the perfect pizza. So where are you going, Mark?
I'm going to a pizza place. 4.5 rating, 687 reviews.
Oh my gosh,
So,
that's awesome. That
it's
trolley ride wore you out,
I
huh?
hope it's open.
Oh, good point.
Okay, the RV park that we were going to stay at is down there. And I guess I could have got the monster in there, but it would have been a little tough. But we weren't able to get in. They don't have a pool there. And the place that we're at, the pool is 88 degrees and a really giant spa hot tub, 103 degrees. So we prefer that.
There you go. You know, Mark is turning into such a tourist. Did you find your pizza place yet? Did you find your pizza place?
Well, you disturbed me. I was on the hunt. Yeah. Hey, it's telling me. Let's just we gotta follow this. Hey.
Okay, let's go, baby.
This is supposed to be for kids.
You're right where you need to be then.